As you can tell by the title, I need help. I want to make the best videos the world has ever seen. When I first created the MrBeast channel, it was me playing Minecraft. And now we're recreating Squid Game in real life, giving away private islands, even rebuilding Willy Wonka's chocolate factory. The videos I'm doing have gotten infinitely harder, and because of that, I'm not able to upload as much as I'd want. I want to constantly keep raising the bar and make our videos better, while also uploading more and more over time. In other words, I want to basically achieve the impossible. We're trying to do things that have never been done before that would take traditional Hollywood like 6 months or a year to do in like the span of a couple weeks. And it's not easy, and I need help.
As a software developer, I've cracked the code and we have launched a platform that will let you submit your craziest challenges directly to MrBeast and his team. Yes, you heard it right. You are going to be the mastermind behind their next epic video. But here's the twist. It's not just about submitting challenges, it's about community power. Other users can vote up if your challenge is a rocket, ready to blast off, or down if it's a total stinker. A reel. Will your idea reach the stars, or will it crash and burn? It's all in the hands of the hilarious MrBeast fanbase. Now, we're not saying that this is the ultimate solution to creating MrBeast's next viral video, but it sure is a source of endless inspiration. You never know when your challenge might become the next legendary stunt. This channel is your one-stop shop for all things tech and innovation. We're all about creating mobile web apps that support, educate, inspire, and entertain. If you're as excited about tech as we are, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell, because the future of tech is just a click away. With love from the mighty makers.